Walker Manufacturing has been producing the Walker mower for over 40 years. And during this time, we have seen ups and downs, recessions, global threats, wars, and many uncertain times. We have also experienced the beauty and resilience of the human spirit and the good that comes from standing strong together in the face of adversity. And we have been blessed to learn a few things along the way. Not the least of these is that the people who build, sell, service, and use the Walker mower around the globe are a special group of people. These folks are risk takers, independent thinkers, entrepreneurs, and hard workers. They are the kind of people that are the backbone of our nations. And we at Walker Manufacturing are here today because of the grit and hard work of employees, distributors, dealers, and customers like these. For that, we say thank you. We salute your resolve, ingenuity, and perseverance during these uncertain times. We won't give up, give in, or lose hope. As people of faith, we believe God is in control. Let us all support one another as best we can in new and creative ways. As we lean on one another through tough times, we pray for health, comfort, hope, and peace for all. Stay strong, and we will get through this together as we work toward a brighter tomorrow.